Morning guys, Dave from Custom Upfitters. I wanted to show you another one of our builds. I previously showed you our full service build. This is a full repair and maintenance build that we also build for some of our customers, and I like to give you a tour and take a look at it. Come on in. This one's a little bit different. As you see, there's no wheel balancer, no tire machine here, but what you will see here is, again, the same. We have our rag holder, the glove holder, your battery charger, fire extinguisher, 110 outlet. There's also 110 outlet inside the cab on both of our vans, and full warning flashers on both styles of our vans. This one has a very heavy-duty workbench, super heavy-duty drawers. This one has an inverter system underneath, same Victron quality, lithium batteries. All of your switches are right here for lights, compressor, fans, your rear tank. You also have a spare 12 volt if you wanted to add anything. Again, oil resistant floor, diamond plate, full wall liners, ceiling liners, LED lights, plenty of light in here. And then come on in and I'll show you the rest. Both vans obviously have the garbage can there. This is some equipment that's going with the van. As you see, you have a lot of space to put parts, oil filters, airbags, whatever you need. Over here, you have more space for parts. A lot of guys just fill all their oil filters up there, keep this for bigger parts. As you can see, this is the tool storage in this one, more designed for bigger repairs. And there are 12 of these drawers. This is all aluminum, top quality equipment. Your Milwaukee vacuum here that you use with the oil regulator, again, for the dripless drain plug, the clean oil drain plug. Just for the last bit of filter, you got this pan. You have your, this also comes with your brake flush equipment. There is a rear step that goes into the hitch. We ship them without them off so they don't damage them when they're shipping them. You're going to see the oil tank will go around back again, and this has an oil equipment here. Your compressor, as you can see, very clean. This one also, even though it doesn't have a tire machine, it has a tire rack. So if you're bringing a spare or you have to bring a tire back to the shop to repair it, it also has the bars so it can't come forward. Your fans, they all have that. The other van, the full service van, has the same setup. Let's walk around back. Same setup as our full service van, which we have another video on if you haven't seen it. There's your tire rack. You have your coolant, your washer fluid, new oil here with a metered handle, new oil here with a metered handle, waste oil. Here's your tank for washer fluid and coolant. Your jacks are locked in. You have the jack rods here that work so you can safely jack the car and get underneath it. Same again. You have your used oil filter drawer. You have your service drawer for tools that are related to oil changes. And same deal. Every reel is 50 foot. This is the pump that you bring out to the car to use with the dripless oil drain plug. By the way, that oil drain plug is a no-brainer. It's worth using them. You'll have no liability. The plug goes into the oil pan, stays in the car. This tool hooks to the plug. You turn this pump on where you bring that out to the car. It evacuates the oil in like just over a minute. You will never have a spill. You will never have insurance liability, a damage in someone's driveway. You have to use the plug. It is the way. You will have state-of-the-art equipment, and you will never have an issue that you damage a customer's driveway or an EPA issue. So it's worth every bit of putting the plugs in the cars, I assure you. 99% of our customers do it that way. You don't want to be the 1% that doesn't do it and you have a problem. So again, this is a load of vans going out right now today. We have 6 of them going out today. We have a full range of testimonials from our customers. So if you'd like to hear from them on our builds, not from us, we'll give you that list and you can speak to them. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.